This is the practice test for fractions. Here we're working on problem number 12, and the problem asks us to insert the proper symbol less than, greater than, or equal to form a true statement. And we have two fractions here, 4 over 7 and 7 over 12. We need to determine which fraction is larger than the other. Now a fraction is always the top number divided by the bottom. So I'm going to take the 4 over the 7 and change that into a decimal number. I can do that by taking 4 divided by 7 on my calculator. And your calculator is going to give you this decimal number here, 0.5714. And then you would want to do the same with the other fractions. 7 over 12 is equal to 7 divided by 12, and you're going to get 0.5833. So I've put these two decimal numbers here, and if we look at the two decimal numbers, we notice that the first number to the right of the decimal point in each number is a 5, so that doesn't tell us which one is larger. And then we go to the second digit to the right of the decimal point. Here we have a 7, here we have an 8, so the 8 is larger than the 7, and that means that this decimal number here is larger than this one. So I put the symbol here with the larger side of the symbol facing the larger number, the smaller side of the symbol, the point, facing the smaller number, and this is your answer. You want to put the symbol in this direction here, so we could put it up here between the two fractions, and 4 over 7 is less than 7 over 12.